Okay. So, tapos tayo sa lesson 1. Lesson 2, factoring the difference of two squares. Factoring the difference of two squares is the reverse process of the product of a sum and difference of two terms. Ayun. So, ito yung ating tanong, ito yung sagot natin. So, dati kasi, ito yung ating tanong, ito yung sagot. Okay? So, inaanap natin. Factoring the difference of two squares is the reverse process of the product of sum and the difference of two terms. Okay. So, ayun. Ito yung tanong natin. So, x squared minus y squared yung sagot. So, dito, okay, for example, number 1. Ito. Ito kasi, in the FOIL method, no? Explain natin. By using the FOIL method. So, first term, outer, inner, last terms. Okay. So, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng first term, x times x, so that is x squared. Okay. X squared. X times negative y minus xy. Tingnan nyo, bakit ang sagot na lang, ito na lang. Then, the other one, I'm using the horizontal method, na equal sign, horizontal. Next, tapos na ko doon. Negative. Next, the inner term. X times y, o y times x. So, pareho naman yung x times y. But, if you want to follow the alphabetical, no? Alphabetical letters, xy. So, positive. xy. Baka gusto mong yx. Ay, pareho pa din yun. Basta parang exponent, walang problema. Gusto mong yx. But anyway, ba't papahirapan mo yung pagkasunod ng letter? xy. So, para di ka na mahirapan. Basta ganun yun. xy. So, then the last term. Y times negative y. Positive times negative y. So, sabi ko sa rule sa multiplication, different signs always negative in multiplication. So, y square. Ayan. Now, tingnan nyo. Yung gitna, positive xy, negative xy plus positive in the rule, no? Addition rule and subtraction rule. O, different signs, subtract. Magkapareho. Lahat ng yan ay, pareho. Puro 1. O, if you want to write in value. O, minus 1. O, di, 0. Kaya ito, nawawala. Kaya, cancelled na yan. Cancelled. Okay? Cancelled na yan. So, maiwan mo lang ay x squared. Then, what is the sign of that? Different signs in multiplication. Ang sign niya negative, y squared. Okay. That is the final answer. So, yun. Kung paano nakuha yun. Okay. So, nawawala na. Kaya, kung makikita nyo yung parehong ganun na given, the same value, the same exponent, and different signs, that's why we say that it is the product, no? Tinatawag na product of sum and difference of two terms. Difference, subtraction. The product, yung sagot. Pag nag-multiply, and the difference of two terms. So, yun. Ito na yung maiiwan na sagot. Matatanggal na kasi yung gitna natin. So, yun ang ibig sabihin na pinapalam. That's why, malaka pa rin yung, yung full method na ating naaral. Wag na wag kalimutan yan. At sa pag-apply ng mga signs, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, kaya nga napakalaga yan. Kasi kung hindi mo alam ang pag-apply, mahirapan ka rin kasi gaano kadali ang mga examples na yan. At the same time, alam mo yung the horizontal method ng pag-add, pag-subtract, and then the vertical method. Pag vertical, sige, gawin natin, vertical. So, yun. X squared, yun, simula doon. Then, xy. Kopyan natin. Paano ba yung vertical method? Then, ito yung sunod natin nakuha. Tapat mo lang. Para, ibig sabihin, pag vertical, mas madali sa'yo. Then, ito. So, yun. We have two methods para mag-solve tayo. Alibas madali. Then, yan. Ibaba mo na lang yan. Y squared. Then, baba mo rin yun. X squared. Ito kasi, wala na yan. 0 na yan. So, 0 is positive. Always positive na yan. Okay. So, cancel na yan. Yun ang, mga tip, no? Paano mapadali ang pag-solve ng problem. So, sa example lang sa number 1, factor y squared minus 36. Factor. Okay. So, the factors, we have, ayun, hanapin natin yung factors. This is the question. Sorry. Ito yung tanong. Factor natin. Ito yung factors natin. Ito yung factors. Ayan. Na ano tayo. So, ito yung tanong. X squared minus y squared. Ito yung factors. That's why we are talking factors. Ito yung given. So, ayan. Factors. Y squared minus 36. So, kapag nakita agad natin yan, ano yung factor ng y tapos perfect square. Itong 36 tapos ito rin, perfect naman yan, square. So, isipin mo agad yung y. So, that is y times y. Okay, then 36. Perfect yan. No? Perfect. So, 36, ang factor niyan ay perfect square ay 6. 6 times 6. Ang ano mo lang dito, basta alam mo na yung ganun na formula. Basta makita mo yung negative tapos perfect square, alam mo na agad yan. Lagay ka na agad sa sa dalawa na positive, negative, yun na. Then factors na lang yung kailangan mo. So the factors are y plus 6y tapos 6 tapos y minus 6. So perfect. Yun lang yung madaling paraan kung paano factors ng ating lesson about difference of two squares. Ibig sabihin, two squares, perfect yung niya, yung value. Okay? So, ito, yung nawawalang factors niya? Perfect square. Okay, so we have 981. Tama yun. Ano pa yung nawawala? At the same time, wag mong kalimutan yung sign. So, yan ang tama sagot. X plus 9. Then, ayun. Meron tayong given A plus B. So, ano pang kulang na factors? So, A minus B. So, tatandaan lang sa pagsulat ng factors o yung sign, unahin nyo lagi ang positive para hindi kayo mahilo. Okay, so, para unahin isulat agad yung positive, sulat ay negative sa factors.